Have you ever wondered what would happen if life threw an unexpected curveball your way? A medical emergency, a car breakdown, or even a job loss can turn your world upside down. That's why an emergency fund is more important than ever. In today's video, we'll dive into why having an emergency fund is crucial for your financial well-being. Plus, we'll share practical tips on how to build one quickly so you are prepared for whatever comes your way. Stay tuned to learn how to secure your financial future. 1. Financial security in unexpected situations. Life is full of unexpected events. Whether it's a medical emergency, car accident, or a sudden home repair, these situations can be financially draining if you're unprepared. Without an emergency fund, you may be forced to turn to credit cards or loans, which often come with high interest rates, leading to a cycle of debt. Having an emergency fund provides financial security by allowing you to cover these unanticipated expenses without disrupting your daily life. This security is vital for peace of mind, knowing that you can handle life's curveballs. It's not just about saving for a rainy day, but about creating a financial cushion to weather life's storms without sacrificing your financial health or going into debt. With an emergency fund, you ensure that your routine remains intact, no matter the obstacles life throws your way. 2. Preventing debt accumulation. Debt can spiral out of control if you're not careful. Without an emergency fund, the tendency to rely on credit cards or loans for emergencies becomes a risky pattern that leads to accumulating high-interest debt. While using credit in emergencies may seem like the only option, it can take months or even years to pay it off, all while racking up interest. An emergency fund acts as a barrier to this cycle. By saving and having cash available when an emergency strikes, you're preventing the need to borrow money and accumulating debt. Having access to your own funds ensures you're not financially trapped or dependent on borrowing from others when emergencies occur. Instead of stressing over repayment plans, you can focus on solving the immediate issue at hand. 3. Peace of mind. One of the greatest benefits of having an emergency fund is the peace of mind it provides. The financial uncertainty that comes with unexpected events, whether it's a job loss, illness, or urgent repair, can be overwhelming and stressful. With an emergency fund, you know that you can cover essential expenses and take care of what's necessary without panic or pressure. This peace of mind allows you to focus on other aspects of your life, whether that's looking for a new job, recovering from an illness, or simply continuing with your daily responsibilities without financial worry. The emotional relief that comes from knowing you're financially prepared can improve your overall well-being. Without the anxiety of unexpected expenses, you can enjoy greater emotional stability. 4. Job loss protection. Losing your job is one of the most unsettling experiences anyone can face, and it's often accompanied by a sudden drop in income. Without an emergency fund, the immediate need to replace that income can force you into making rushed decisions, such as taking the first available job, even if it's not ideal. An emergency fund provides the breathing room you need to search for the right job. Consider career changes or focus on securing employment that aligns with your goals and skills. It allows you to handle the transition with confidence, knowing that you have the financial resources to cover your essential living costs while you find new work. This gives you the time to make informed decisions about your next steps instead of feeling rushed. 5. Helps with medical expenses. Medical emergencies can occur at any time, often without warning, and can come with significant costs. Even if you have insurance, you may still face high deductibles, out-of-pocket expenses, or uncovered treatments. An emergency fund helps ensure you are prepared for these costs without disrupting your finances. If you don't have sufficient coverage, or if an unforeseen medical situation arises, you won't be forced to choose between seeking necessary care or dealing with the financial fallout. Having an emergency fund means you can focus on recovery and health rather than financial strain, making the experience less stressful overall. Even if your insurance covers a large portion of the bill, the remainder may still require immediate attention. 6. Home and car repairs. Both home and car repairs can quickly become expensive, and the timing is often unpredictable. Whether it's your car breaking down in the middle of a long commute or your refrigerator suddenly giving out, these repairs can be a major financial burden. Without an emergency fund, You might have to rely on credit cards or loans to cover these costs, which will only add to your debt. With an emergency fund, however, you can immediately take care of repairs and keep your daily life moving smoothly. You won't have to wait to fix essential items, ensuring that your car gets you where you need to go, or your home stays comfortable and safe. Whether it's fixing a leaking roof or replacing a flat tire, having savings set aside gives you the confidence to act quickly. 7. Savings goals progress. Building an emergency fund doesn't just protect you from the unexpected. It also helps you achieve your long-term financial goals. Without an emergency fund, you risk dipping into your retirement savings, home down payment fund, or investment accounts when an urgent need arises. This can significantly derail your progress toward these important milestones. Having a separate emergency fund allows you to keep your other savings untouched for their intended purposes. It also means you can continue contributing to your financial goals, knowing that you're prepared for unexpected setbacks without having to compromise on your future. Without the need to borrow or take from other accounts, you can keep your eyes on the prize. This separation ensures your financial foundation is solid, even during tough times. Your long-term goals will stay on track while you remain prepared for life's challenges. 8. How to build one fast. Start small. Be consistent. Building an emergency fund doesn't require you to make large sacrifices all at once. The key to building your fund quickly is starting small and being consistent. Start by saving a manageable amount each week or month, and gradually increase it as your income or situation improves. Even small contributions add up over time, so don't be discouraged by the size of your initial deposits. Consistency is crucial, as regular savings will ensure that your emergency fund grows steadily. The more you prioritize saving, the faster you'll reach your target amount. You may also want to set milestones, like having $1,000 saved for emergencies within 6 months to stay motivated. 9. Automate savings. One of the easiest ways to build an emergency fund quickly is by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund account every time you get paid. By automating the process, you don't have to think about saving or risk spending the money on non-essentials. This system ensures that you're consistently putting money aside without effort. Additionally, by paying yourself first, you reduce the temptation to spend money before it goes into your fund. Over time, the automated contributions will add up and build the security you need without needing extra effort on your part. Automating savings makes the process seamless and stress-free. 10. Use windfalls to boost the fund. If you receive unexpected financial windfalls, such as a tax refund, work bonus, or a monetary gift, this is an ideal opportunity to boost your emergency fund. These lump sums can give your savings a significant jumpstart, allowing you to reach your target faster. Rather than spending windfalls on non-essential purchases, prioritize adding them to your emergency fund. This not only accelerates your progress, but also reinforces the habit of saving for emergencies. You can also use any side income or freelance payments to supplement your emergency fund, making it easier to build a substantial cushion in a shorter amount of time. Windfalls are the perfect opportunity to quickly grow your emergency savings without sacrificing your regular budget. By adding these unexpected funds to your emergency fund, you'll have a financial cushion that's ready when you need it most. The faster you build it, the sooner you'll have the security to face life's challenges. Building an emergency fund is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. It ensures you're ready for life's unexpected moments without falling into debt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on securing your financial future. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions, so feel free to drop a comment below. Remember, the sooner you start, the faster you'll be financially secure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.